Hari Om. Okay, so we take 10 minutes. May not be all questions possible to answer, but we will try as much as we can. There is a saying in Sanskrit, Shubhasya Shighram. But this workshop is slow down in a fast world. Is it not contradictory? So the idea there when it is said Shubhasya Shighram is do not procrastinate. It is not about doing everything fast. Because human mind has a tendency to push some things away. So it is said do it as fast as you can, don't postpone it. So it's only to avoid procrastination. At present, Wimbledon tennis tournament is going on in UK. A champion cannot afford to be slow to return a tennis ball, put it in a corner of a tennis court by an opponent player. Please comment. Does not have to. This speed is not about reducing externally. It is about reducing the internal speed. A slow mind won't be overwhelmed via fast world. Too many stimuli, I find some environments like that. No, a slow mind is not overwhelmed by too much stimuli. A mind which is already filled with so much is not able to take in more. That mind will be disturbed. If the mind is slow, still, the mind has choice. It will perceive what to choose, it will choose what to perceive, what not to perceive. If it feels overwhelmed, it will shut down. Eyes can be shut, stimuli can be cut out. So there is no question of overwhelming because of slowing down. Overwhelming happens when I can't accept what is. Don't you think meditation in fact improves clarity, thought efficiency and better solutions? Yes, it does. How have the equation of speed and slowness been formed in the mind? Conditioning of society, people around us, many things that we see, we are grasping from the society, and second is our own internal pressure of desires. That creates the equations in our own mind. What is the best time for meditation? Is it only in the morning or it can be done any time of the day? Whenever you are fresh, do it.
Morning is preferred.
Morning is preferable because the sattva guna is very high in the morning. That's the only reason it is said in the morning. How much time should be spent on meditation? If I have more time on Sundays and other holidays, can I spend more time, say a few hours? Will it be advisable? Yeah. If you have more time on other days, you can spend more time on other days. Being alone at home, would you call it solitude and silence? You may be alone at home, but if you are with 20,000 gadgets, and it is not solitude and it is not silence. Idea is to reduce the thoughts, be with oneself. Even if one is with people, if one is silent, then one is with oneself. So, principle is important, not just physically being alone or not being alone. I walk every day, I do not multitask while I am walking, no music, no talking, but I do say my Gayatri, a full mala which later 40 minutes. Is that okay? Which takes 40 minutes. Is that okay? Or is this considered multitasking? It is considered multitasking. Because attention has to be on what I am doing now fully. Better than wandering the mind is the chanting of the mantra, but better than chanting of the mantra is present moment awareness, where I fully am aware of what I am doing. What is the method of chanting Om? Slowly, Om. Simple. Keep it very simple. There are different methods people follow, elaborate elaborate O, elaborate Ma, elaborate silence. You can go into the depth of that you want to, then you can. Otherwise simply just say Om. Little silence. Again. Om. Any tips to sleep better? Since lack of sleep is related to stress and fast mind. Exercise before sleep. Make the body tired, it will go to sleep automatically. Chant a mantra, reduce the thought flow. Learn to accept life as it comes. at a deeper level, that is important, because when I don't accept, then there's a conflict and then I can't sleep. So those few things one can do.
Swamiji, for kids.
For kids, they are very hyperactive. If you have not channelized their energy through the day, it is impossible for them to sleep in the night. They have to do something where physically they get exhausted, because they have a lot of energy. And only when they are exhausted, they will sleep.
But despite that also they don't sleep.
No, because the body clock is different. You see, in the night, if they are doing WhatsApp and everything, they will sleep in the day. You see, then we do not have to calculate the night time, that he will catch up with the daytime. So if it is possible to reverse the body clock or control that body clock, then in the night sleep is possible. Otherwise, overall picture you see whether the child is getting enough sleep through the day in 24 hours, 6 hours or 8 hours, whatever is required. Whichever part of the day it is now, that one cannot control. Alright, thank you so much. Please give your name, address, etc. on the envelope that has been given to you. If you like the points to be emailed to you. Right. Let's conclude formally. Virenji, you have any announcements?
I'll just make a few announcements. Again, I repeat, we like to do this every 3 months. If you'd like to participate in another event, please make sure you fill up our feedback forms with your contact details. If you don't need me here the next time, please make a mention so Swamiji can take due action. But no, definitely we would love to be in touch with you, whether by email or SMS or any which way, WhatsApp, Twitter, Swamiji, whichever. But no, more seriously, just wanted to say thank you to Swamiji on behalf of all of us. Again, on behalf of Chinmaya Mission, I'd like you to say thank you to the volunteers. And most importantly, I'd like to say thank you to Mr. Vinay Avadramani and the Avadramani family for their very warm hospitality at the hotel this afternoon. On behalf of Chinmaya Mission, I'd like Swamiji to just hand over a token of appreciation.
Please give them a big round of applause. This is our second workshop here, and thank them very much.
With that, we conclude this afternoon's program. Thank you for being with us.
Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo